Hi, today I'm in front of you Oppo A57s and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi we should click once on the switcher, and after that we should tap to the hard address or to the one from these available networks. I'll use the HardReset.Info. Here we should enter the password. To see the password we should click to this eye icon. To have no some mistakes, for example, to check them, I'll enter the password out of screen. So now just we should tap on the right upper corner, it's okay. Wait a second and we can see that we just successfully connected to this network. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi we should click here to this Wi-Fi switcher, and by the same way we can turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi on our device. You can use more applications, more networks than one. Just connect to these networks and after that you can just switch between them. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn it on or to turn it off we should click on this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings we should hold it for a while, and now we can see all of the same settings here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.